In this video, we'll talk about updating inventory counts. Last week, when I was looking for brake hose trailer kits, I found there was a lot of them that were tucked away in different places, so I want to double-check the quantities. I'll go find the product up here. I'll type brake hose. There it is. Let me click on it. Okay, now this map is just showing me the quantities for this item. Let's see if the counts are right. I went around the garage and the office this morning, and I've got a list here with me. Okay. Shelf 1, A3, 50 kits. Looks good. Shelf 4, 100. That's not what I counted. Looks like someone made a typo. There's only 10 of them. Okay, that makes more sense. Let me change the quantity by clicking and entering the right value. That's better. And the rest of it? 84, 16, 100. Everything else looks good. Let me go back to the map. My manager asked me to go count what's on the truck parked at receiving. I see that the total count is 207, but I want to double-check everything. I'll click the View icon above the truck, and it will show me all the products there. When I do counts like this, I like to add the tick marks on the left just to help me keep track of what I've counted. So everything up till here looks good. But now I see that there's 15 rock valves on the truck, but it only says 5, so I'll update that by clicking and entering the correct value. And there's 10 of these 10-foot hoses, not 12, so I'll just drop that down. And the rest looks good. When my manager runs a report at the end of the month, the adjustments will be included, so they'll be able to find the real numbers of what was received and what was issued. Follow me to the next video, and I'll show you how to speed up your work by using spreadsheets.